Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can identify plants with Google. Okay guys, first of all, open your Google application on your phone, and this is my Google application, so I'm clicking on it. After that, we can click on this camera button right here guys. So this is the Google Lens that we want to use for identifying plants. Just click on it, then you can take the picture of the plants that you want to identify. You can click on this camera button, or you can also upload a file from your gallery. And for me, I'm gonna upload a file from my gallery. So this is the plants that I'm going to identify. So I'm tapping on the plant or the picture of the plant, then this is the result. So these are the articles that is related with the plants, and we can check the article one by one to identify the plants. Alright guys, and that's how we can identify plants with Google. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.